Hello everyone, welcome to the Create a Wallet in Metamask workshop. So this is Professor Manoel Gadi, and the idea here is that you create a Metamask wallet, you change it to Polygon. I am going to send you some Matic, that is the Metamask, the Polygon cryptocurrency, and then you're going to make a transaction. You're going to send money to the next person in your group, and you're going to remain with 15 cents of a Matic, not dollars, 15, 0.15 Matic. That is in order for you to do the next forum here, the next thread, where you're gonna mint a NFT. So you have enough money, enough Matic that I'm giving you for minting an NFT. So in this week, you're gonna do two practical threads. One that is create your wallet and then make a transaction and then mint an NFT. The rest may change depending on the year and if I'm using this video again with another group. So the current group is receiving a Kahoot and create a question here in clinical trials, but it may change it for your group in the future. So let's start with the idea of Matic. So the first thing is, for creating the MetaMask, I would recommend that if you can, you add another tab on your Chrome. And then you say start without an account, so that even Google doesn't know anything about your wallet or anything, because it's better to keep this thing away from all the companies. That's gonna be your funds. That's gonna be your money. So this is crypto wallet. I'm giving this name here in EDTX. So this is creating a new Google Chrome extension, and then you visit Metamask.io. Doesn't even, please avoid even searching in Google or anything. Go directly to Metamask.io. Google will try to protect you, but in any case, there are some phishing out there if you use search bars. So go and say download the extension here. So this is the extension, and you add the extension to Chrome. So click on add to Chrome here, and you can say add to Chrome, and here we have it. You probably don't have, you should agree here, create a new wallet. If you have a wallet already, a MetaMask wallet, you don't need to do this part of creating a new wallet. So you just need to show me. I'll show you what you want to do, what I want from you in a minute. But just watch the video so that you get the explanation what you need to do, even if you have a wallet. If you don't have a wallet, click create a new wallet here. And guys, never ever show this to anyone. So I'm gonna throw away this account later. So I'm gonna say agree, and I'm gonna create a password here. This password is only used in this machine. So this password that I'm creating, it's only gonna be used in this machine if I want to recover and I have access to the same machine. So I create a password, and then now I'm gonna say secure my wallet. What is gonna happen? It's gonna show me 12 words. So this is the recovery words that I have. I'm just showing you. That's crazy, but I'm gonna throw away this account anyway. So I'm gonna copy to the clipboard. I'm copying all this text here. What is this text about? With those 12 words, passing an algorithm of an encryption algorithm, you can get out of this. You can create two passwords. One that is public, two keys, public key and the private key. So I'll show you where they appear on my MetaMask when I create it. But public key and my private key can be generated out of these 12 words here. So I'm making a picture of this right here. Making a picture here, and then so that I can go next, and then I can see that the words that I have are need, blush, and any student. So now I can confirm it, got it, next, done it, got it, got it, got it, got it. I'm gonna use OpenSea later. Here we go. We don't have anything in my wallet yet, and I'm gonna ask you, can you click on this extension here and ping the MetaMask extension so that you can see the extension here, and then your MetaMask will appear right here in front of you. What I need you to do next is that you say, got it, got it, got it. You install Matic Polygon here. So you click on the in there and you say Polygon mainnet, that is just here. So you add Polygon mainnet and then you approve it. Very good. You can switch it to Polygon. Got it. So if you do not switch, you're not going to see the funds on your account. So you better switch. So very good. So you have done it, pretty much everything we need. And by the way, this is your address. You can copy your address here, and then I need you to come here on this Google Doc, and you say, oh, I'm group A, I'm group 1. So I am putting my address right here. So this is my address. Professor Manuel, that is my address here. What Professor Manuel will do is that I'm going to send the money to the next person. So I am going to use my wallet. So I am going to send one Matic to the person at the top of the list here. So I am going to get the address, and you should do it as well. So when you receive your your funds, what I need is that you make a picture, but I'm going to send one Matic to the next person, and then the next person should get 0.85 Matic, send it to the next person, and the following person should send 0.60 to the following person, and then you always deduct 0.15 Matic. Why do you need the 0.15 to stay in your account? Because you're going to spend that as a gas fee on OpenSea for the minting of NFT that you're going to do. So, and then what you do next, and then you confirm the transaction. It's going to say, oh, how much am I going to send it, and blah blah blah. What is the cost of the transaction and everything. So I'm not going to do it right now. But what I need from you guys is, for the first task, is when you get the fund from myself or from the person from your group, you going to take a picture of this showing the money. I'm going to send Matic. The person's going to send Matic. So if you're not in the Polygon mainnet, you're not going to see your funds. So you need to be in the Polygon mainnet to take the picture. So here you have instructions of everything you need to do. And the idea is that you put your address right here, and then I will check it during the day, and I'm going to send the money for the first person here in each group. The first person in each group wait for a couple hours and then send it to the following person that will create their account and put it in there. And then everyone will appear here at the end, and you're gonna have funds to do the next stage. So in this group exercise, what you're doing is you're doing a couple of things. So you are first creating a wallet in MetaMask. You are receiving a transaction and you're sending money. So you're doing three things. And then what you deliver, Professor? Your wallet showing your balance here. So this is individual. You deliver a screenshot of your wallet with your funds. And once you completed that, you have enough funds to go to OpenSea and then mint NFT. For the minting of NFT, I'm not going to create the video. Once you have the funds, you can watch the video from this little video from this guy here. It's very good already. So this guy explains really well the he explains right here that you should create your click on OpenSea, you should create your wallet, and then next you have to, and then you say mint NFT, not drop a collection, mint NFT. Next you create, you click on choose a collection. Choose a collection. And then you can say choose a collection, create a new collection, and then you follow the steps there. So the video will show you how to do the mint NFT with a lot of details. And what you need to do is you just deliver a screenshot showing your minted NFT in OpenSea. If by any chance it's more than 0.15 Matic for minting, that I think should be more than enough. What you can do is you can wait until a moment that is cheaper. So this is there are some moments in time that is normally cheaper, some moments in time that is more expensive. So just wait for another moment in the hours of the day and then try to mint it. Or even if you wait for another day, maybe it's cheaper than the day that you are in. So as long as it's cheaper than 15 cents of Matic, it's enough for you to mint it. So guys, I hope you enjoy this little workshop that we have done, where you have created your wallet, you have received and made it a transaction, and when you complete the 3.4, you have minted your first NFT if you've never done it. What can you do with a minted NFT? Well, you can sell it, but effectively, technically speaking, what you've done is you put in your art, and now your art is recorded, stored in a blockchain. It means that it can never ever be deleted. So it's going to be there forever.